If you're building a mobile setup or need a solid workhorse for lash, facial or tattoo work, the Yaheetech Portable Massage Table is one of those surprisingly complete, budget-friendly packages that actually covers the basics properly. This two-fold table, available in 24 to 28-inch widths depending on the listing, is built from beechwood legs and a composite frame, wrapped in PVC faux leather with a decent padding that feels firmer than cheap foam, which I like because it still gives good support during longer sessions. The headrest is removable and height adjustable. It ships with a carrying bag and armrests, and the legs use twist knobs so you can set the working height in multiple positions. Setup is tool-free and genuinely quick, which matters when you're hauling gear between clients. Performance-wise, it's what I'd call pro-aspirational for the price. Sturdy enough for the occasional clinic or home studio, comfortable for clients, and light enough to move with a shoulder strap bag. Load capacity on similar two-fold designs is usually in the 400 to 550 pounds range. The construction feels solid, but don't expect the lifetime warranty build of the premium brands. Some users note variations between SKUs, width, foam thickness, so check the exact model you're buying. Prices vary by seller and marketplace, but the Yaheetech family of foldable tables commonly shows in the low to mid-hundreds. Watch for frequent discounts. Customer feedback is generally positive for value and ease of setup, with many buyers calling it a great starter, a professional hybrid. If you want a no-fuss portable table that won't eat your budget and handles daily use, Yaheetech is an easy try, and yes, we share buy links in description box.